40 crore Indians access the internet. India is going digital. Indians from 16 to 30 years old watch TV for just 1.2 hours a day, but they spend almost double that amount of time online. Companies know this too, and so they're using digital platforms to grow. In 2016, 16,850 crores were spent on digital marketing alone. Online shopping is a great example of this success story. Just 10 years ago, online shopping hit India. Today, 4% of all retail business takes place online. Just imagine how it'll grow in the next 10 years. But what does this mean for your career? Well, pretty soon, almost all customers will be behind digital devices. To do business with these digital customers, companies need digital marketers. The Economic Times found that 87% of businesses rely on digital marketing, spending 1/3 of their budgets on this platform. If you're just launching your career, this is great news for you. Complete a comprehensive course in digital marketing from one of India's top education providers. After this, you can help companies reach customers using websites, social media, and online ads. You can track customer behavior, analyze their response to your ad campaigns, and tweak your strategy to do better. Check out any job portal, and you'll see thousands of job vacancies in digital marketing. Related job profiles like SEO, search engine marketing, mobile marketing, e-commerce, social media marketing, display advertising are hot too. So take charge of your career. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact us so we can discuss your career prospects right away. Found this video useful? Share it.